Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start with your document open and the insertion point where the reference link should go. Type the visible link text or select existing text you want a hyperlink because Word replaces that selection with the link. Once done, press Ctrl+K or choose Insert Link to open the dialog. This is faster than navigating menus. Make sure you have the URL copied or the local file path ready, so you can paste it into the address. You'll now configure the hyperlink so it behaves the way you want. In the dialog, paste the URL into the address box and confirm the text to display shows readable wording. Change it if it's a raw URL. If you want accessibility help, click Screen Tip and type a brief description that appears on hover. For email links, use Mailto, followed by the address. Finally, press OK to create the link and test it by Ctrl+ clicking the newly linked text. You finish by testing the link. Hold Ctrl and click to open it, confirming it goes to the expected page or file. If it doesn't, right-click the hyperlink and choose Edit Hyperlink to correct the address or text to display. Remove and recreate the link if problems persist. One key troubleshooting tip: if the link opens a wrong page, inspect for stray characters or missing HTTPS//. Make sure network access or file permissions aren't blocking the target, then retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.